Legacy traditional schools use ParentSquare to make communication more efficient, ensuring parents stay well informed and actively involved in their child's education. It allows us to communicate with families via email, text message, alerts, and app notifications to parents and guardians. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your language preferences through the ParentSquare mobile app and website. To change your language preferences on the mobile app, first, make sure you have the mobile app downloaded to your mobile device. Open the ParentSquare app and log in with your username and password. Tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Account, then tap Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Language. Select your preferred language from the list that appears. Once you select a language, your choice will be automatically saved. You can then exit the Preferences page to see that the information is automatically translated. To change your language preferences on the website, log into ParentSquare with your username and password. Click on your name or profile picture in the upper right corner of the page. Choose My Account, then select Language Settings from the left side of the screen. Select your preferred language from the list of over 100 options that appear. Once you select a language, your choice will be automatically saved. By updating your language preferences, you can receive messages in the language that works best for you. Stay informed about your child's classroom, school, and district by using ParentSquare with your personalized language settings.